Dr. Natalie Cordova. Today we're going to do the hip flexor stretch. So if you prefer to have something to guard your knee, a pad or a pillow will be very helpful. I have a pad, so you're going to get into a lunge position. What you're aiming for is to stretch out the front of your hip. You're going to be able to have your knee over your foot, and as you lower down, you're going to go straight onto that knee. You can see I'm starting to bend, so I'm going to move that over in front, and then the stretch is to flex and stretch out your hip flexor, right? So keeping that toe pointed, that's more comfortable for me. You're gonna hold this position for 1 minute. This is a static stretch. You're just holding it, you're not moving it, and that's gonna elongate and demand that muscle to start to remodel. If this is comfortable and easy for you to do, you can open up your arms and stretch them wide, and that gets the whole body engaged in this and stretching that out. Again, you're holding that for 1 minute. You can also bring your leg out a little further, getting a little bit lower, really deepening that stretch, and again, holding that here for 1 minute. Go ahead and switch when you're done with that 1 minute so that you get to the other side and do the same thing, making sure that the knee is over the ankle, not in front of the ankle. The toe is pointed, and then you're lunging forward. Straighten it out, and then bringing your arms up and over. You're stretching out the front of your hips, and you're not arcing too back, and you're not trying to go too forward, because it's not a quad stretch, it's a hip flexor stretch. Holding that there for 1 minute.